Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok. So if you want to change your profile picture on TikTok, I'll show you guys how to do that in this video today. But before you do anything, make sure that your TikTok app is all the way updated. And once you do that, then you could head over to the TikTok app like I am here. It'll bring you to the For You page. And then once you are on the For You page, you'll want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the page. You'll be brought to your profile page right here. And once you're on your profile page, to change your profile picture, as you can see, it's in the top middle of my screen. If you want to change that, one way to do it, you just click on your profile picture, which is the big picture in the top of your screen. Then you can pick on the pencil, which is right next to your profile picture. It's pretty small, but if you click on it, then it will show all your pictures, and you could just choose one that you want to choose as your profile picture. So that's one way to do it. You can also click on Edit Profile, which is right below your followers and following option thing. And once you click on it, you can be brought to this page here. You'll want to click on Change Profile, which is at the very top of the page. You'll see your profile picture. If you click on it, it'll ask you if you want to take a photo, upload a photo, or view photo. So if you take a photo, then that'll just choose a random photo that you want to take. And then you can also use a photo from your library gallery, and that'll bring up a photo from your gallery. So that's how you change your profile picture on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.